Hello everyone, this is Dale Pinker with ForexStopHunters.com with our weekly stop hunt review video version. I want to welcome everyone here for their persistence and stick-to-itiveness to become a more effective FX trader. I want to remind everyone that only risk capital should be used when trading high-risk markets such as FX, other leveraged instruments, derivatives such as futures and options, and past performance is not indicative of future results. We had a very hectic week in the market last week. People knew I was pounding the drum for a rally in Canada. We definitely had it. So going into next week, we have buy stops above this high. People trying to trade the reaction right now. That's at 9974. Then we have some sell stops under this low, 9803, and then we have to go all the way back down to the low of the move, 9667. For sell stops of people believing this pair has bottomed. I happen to be one of them. Moving over to EURUSD. As far as buy stops, you have to go all the way out to the daily. As Euro continues to lead the charge, stops over the 142.81 level. Then you can go shorter term to look for the sell stops in Euro. I'm thinking about 139.79 under this low, and then under these lows as well. A couple for you to choose from here and here at 38.54. Moving over to cable, GBPUSD, looking at potential buy stops in here above these highs, 16343. And sell stops being under major support at the 159.78 level. And as you go the daily, you'll see that there is a lot of support previously in this rising wedge at the same level. This is your daily chart, so I believe that the stop hunt eventually is going to be a magnet to take out these lows in this support level. Moving over to yen, which really was the story of the week. Because of this type of volatility, I pointed out the week before that there'd be stop hunts under these lows all the way back to the October low, and that's exactly what happened. These are disorderly market conditions, so everyone's a stop hunt in this type of situation, although it is my contention that we have put in a significant low in this pair. We're on the verge of a monthly reversal, almost had a weekly reversal, and I believe that these lows will hold, and we're looking at an embryonic stage of a bull market in US dollar yen that could last for several months. So no stop hunt. We're going to wait for price action to settle down and look for our entries on this pair. Similar but not as extreme action in US dollar Swiss. We have buy stops over the high of the night of the intervention in yen right there, so that's at 9090, and during the massacre in the yen they got to Swiss pretty good too, so we have sell stops there at 8918. We didn't have the type of recovery that yen had, but we still have some weekly divergence developing here in the Swiss, so I think that we're very close to some type of bottoming phase. Oh, keep your eye out for that. Also on a monthly basis, not the same type of recovery, but the weekly divergence is pretty glaring in my view. Moving over to Aussie USD, we have buy stops above this high, which was the push that we had last Friday, 101.58, and then we have some more stops over the 102 level up here. The feature to me, with a generally weaker USD all week long on a weekly basis, Aussie still finished 170 pips lower on the week with the dollar being weak. If we have any kind of dollar recovery, this pair is very vulnerable. So we have stop hunts most likely for people playing this recovery under this low 97.02. This is Dale Pinkert with ForexStopHunters.com, wishing everyone a very successful trading week. Remember, don't just count your pips, count your blessings. Till then.